Hi everyone, it's Therese. I'm here. I wanted to come on real quick to share two more sets of napkins that I received for a swap, from two ladies, and I just wanted to come on real quick. I'm still here in Virginia. I haven't left for Las Vegas yet. I will this Friday, so I'm hoping that some of the swaps I'm supposed to be getting will come in before I leave, but if not, I'll just do it when I get back. So let's get started. This first set is from Karen, who's Scrappy K Sue here on YouTube, and she sent me some beautiful napkins. So there's that one. Look at this one. It's so bright colored and not so much abstract, but it's really cool. And then, oh, this one's really nice, the birdcage one. So very nice napkins. Thank you, Karen. Love them. So the second one I received is from Diane, who's Diane Grant here on YouTube, and I'll try to have everybody's YouTube or channel links down below. So she sent this really cute flower with some ladybugs on it, so perfect for spring. And then these two really made me chuckle and made me laugh, and it made me feel less stress, if you know what I mean. So this one says, why limit happy to an hour? And it's two women on a hammock, and they're drinking some wine. I thought that was hilarious. And then she says, this one here is just too funny. It says, shut the front door and open the wine. Oh my god, that is so cute. So I love how each and every pack that I get is different and unique, and I get, there's no duplicates, which is so nice. So thank you, ladies, for my beautiful napkins. I can't wait to use them on some projects. And thank you, Tina, for hosting this napkin swap. I thought it was a great idea. And it wasn't that bad of a swap. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.